In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new property to a database in Notion on your phone. If you've ever wanted your Notion database to track a little more information, maybe who's responsible for a task or when something is due, adding a new property is the way to go. We'll do this entirely on mobile, keeping it quick and straightforward. First, open your Notion app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and on the workspace where your content lives. Next, open an existing page that contains the database you want to modify. This could be a tasks list, a content calendar, or any database you've already set up. Remember, databases in Notion can appear as tables, boards, lists, calendars, timelines, or galleries. If you're seeing only plain text and no entries organized into cards or rows, you might be on a regular notes page. Switch to a page that actually holds your database. Now look for your database on that page. If it's a table view, you'll see column headers like name, status, or date stretching across the top. If it's another view, you'll still be able to work with properties, but the controls may appear slightly differently. On mobile, you can often scroll the header row sideways to see everything. At the far right edge of the property row, you'll find a small plus button. Tap the plus to start creating a new property. This tells Notion you want one more column or attribute that every entry in this database will share. If you don't see the plus immediately, try swiping the header row to the left. It's often just beyond the last visible property. Next, choose a property type. This determines what kind of data the property will hold. Common options include text for short notes, number for counts or estimates, select or multi-select for tags and categories, date for deadlines and schedules, person to reference a workspace member, checkbox for simple yes or no tracking, and files and media if you plan to attach items. You'll also see options like URL, email, and phone for contact details, as well as advanced types like relation, rollup, and formula for more complex setups. Pick the one that matches how you plan to use the property. Finally, name the property. For example, you might call it assigned to if you chose the person type. Keep names clear and concise so teammates know exactly what belongs there. Once named, the new property appears across your database, ready for use. That's it. You've opened your Notion app, found your database, added a property with the plus button, selected the right type, and given it a clear name. Now your database is more informative and easier to manage.